because we're moving. We are moving.
Here are these beautiful keys, and there's got
Collected the keys. I have to big up Almighty God. Yes, you got it. Yes, you got it. Yes, you when it come on to God. You know, if you trust and believe in a God, you know. You know, if you trust and believe in a God. I remember.
I better find your love.
Okay, so I'm gonna start popping, you know, one little update of what's going. So much is going on. So much is going on. And currently, right now, we are actually first and foremost. I was looking at an apartment to move for when our lease ends in July. It's happened that when they start doing the investigation on the mold, right? Because it's happened that it had to go up to the front. I'm tell on the last vlog, I'm tell some go to the sister apartment, and it happened that the lady found out that I live at the sister apartment, and she reached out to the people them. It's happened that this investigation that they're carrying out is producing some bad results, where the results are literally telling them that the mold is all over in the carpet. Like, listen, them take mold very serious over here. The mold is all in the carpet. Let's ride that with me, baby, wait for me. The mold is all over in the apartment. Mold is in the carpet. When the restoration team come, and they check the carpets, the machine where them use to check the mold, a beeper, like mold all over the carpet. They might carry out more investigations to see what is causing the mold. Then can't find what caused the mold. It was like this, like them not understand. Like they think we were like, you know, messing around with this to say that, you know, when them come and everything, mold all over the place. So I'm pretty sure how bad the mold is. Like, my telling them take these things very serious over here, because due to the fact that we actually we go looking at go looking for another apartment, and them hear from the sister apartment when we go, like, you know, it is man a dark road now. It is so bad till a corporate come and go in the apartment and them can't tell what, and they're gonna be like, oh, they can't transfer us if mold is on our furniture. I'm saying, miss, ma'am, all our furniture new, brand new furniture. We not come now with no furniture, we have the mold on it. So the corporate, they came, test our furniture and everything. We not have the mold on it. Like, we have new apartment, we all our stuff are new. We just come from Jamaica with nothing. All things purchased new. So it's happening now that they are offering us two things. Can close out the lease without any penalties. We get back our money deposit, or we can transfer to a 1-bedroom apartment, still live under the same lease until it finished for July, or three things, or we can go to a 2-bedroom apartment on their property. The 2-bedroom on their property is too expensive. They have changed their deals, because their deals came with free internet, and their deal came with free internet and cable. Now they're changing it. So for the last 2 days, we cook, and we never did our proper cook because I just got pick up the Popeyes order. But guess what? The Popeyes order took too long to get ready. So we go be there and come back, and we decide to cook rice or something. still go back for the Popeyes order. So I'm actually looking for my Popeyes. It's a new Popeyes that just opened too. That's why it took 1 hour. It took us so long. That's why we had to leave and come back. The place was congested and I moved slow. I don't know when place just open or you run. So now the store is now full of the store. The thing is now that we have been spending every evening after school for the whole time on the road till night searching for apartments where we have to move into now, because some big old, you know, apartment right now name one of them is a hair scrubber, one of them is a dehumidifier. I'm gonna know what the other one did. Let me tell you how serious it is now, like how serious it is. They have in there running. So they want us to, they said like it's so serious they want us to be out by next week. So we are trying to find an apartment, and we went and viewed this apartment. I tell this apartment, never do no video, nothing, because I tell her, oh fast yeah mom, I don't have time for fish around with nothing. The apartment is so beautiful. Gray counter. No, not gray. White. White cabinets with the room so big. The patio is so good. When we're going to Odeon, loving there, me loving there. It was the last apartment. So because it was the last one, by the time we could come home, and the lady said it's them just released them newer version of the apartment there. By the time we come home and finish the application, it's no longer available because she said a lot of people depend on it. We went viewing a lot of other apartments today, but nothing good. Nothing good. The apartment with the one that I showed you guys in the second viewing in the vlog, I really love that one with the gray countertop cabinet and the big island. And one of my tell you, I love, that's my dream kitchen. I love it, but it's really out of the budget. Like, it's gonna be almost, is it almost? Yeah, almost $200 more, and not $200 more between both of us, $200 more each. That's what we are paying now. So at this point I am kind of in the phase, because where I live there's not much of the fancy apartments. The fancy apartments are away from me, and away meaning that it's gonna affect everything, because I have to go transport myself further. When you come out to work, your journey them are gonna be further, like far, and I can't afford to do that because my journey kind of, you know, not bad, but it's gonna be worse. Like, so I can't do, me no want to do that. So, and then yeah, so you're gonna put, you know, pressure upon me as in if I travel further, and then it's then it will go closer to be work, because we kind of live in our mutual space spot. So it look like we have to go step up for one of the apartment them with the high bar area, and it's just so much thinking about. So, and there's one of them that I'm willing to work with, but it come with washer and dryer. I already have a washer and dryer, so we'd have to go figure out if it's still a washer and dryer. So, but yeah, but this is one during the update there, so we will talk. You can tell the weather is nice today. I am in just a regular, I don't know, I'm a white shirt, don't top push up. I'm just in a regular t-shirt, and I'm showing them in a, like, literally a, what do you call them shoes here? Talk to me, hold on. It's been so long since I've worn something like this with my foot out the door. With my foot out the door, Codian. So why you in a socks and you said the socks about you two of them, sir? Eh? And you in a tam. Why you in a tam? Trina want to show you head. Lazy. Head want to wash the shoe. sun was so nice here. Well, like, I'm going to catch it. Yes! We're in Home Depot because we're moving. We are moving. Like, just like that. We are moved. Just like that. When we made that look, and the plan was not to move right now. But we literally are going to a new apartment tomorrow. So we're trying to find a rental shop at Home Depot. See how that goes. Hold on a minute. It's getting really cold. It get chilly. Good thing, but never let him want to come. You want to come back? He come back? Okay. So we got done with Home Depot. We were checking on their rental van because they're $29 for the first hour, and then after that $10, something like that. Within 4 hours, after 4 hours, I think it's $100 or something for the day. Yeah, but as me say, we are moving. We went to a nice apartment, guys. Me and babe found one nice apartment. The apartment was really nice, but here what happened? Here what happened? The apartment only have one apartment left. So by the time we go home, fill out the application, the apartment gone. So yeah. So that apartment was so nice. It was so nice. As audience going, the audience fell in love. Fell in love with it. Not sure.
People, one question we always ask when evening time come. What we are going to eat?
I'm pretty sure we're not cooking. You want to go? Hey, make a pull up my ears after all of this. What we're going to eat? Remember, we're going to Starbucks. So you can't come out right now. We're going to Starbucks because we still have the complimentary I can't just go at this on turn. The complimentary card, gift card that I got from the student. It still have money on it, so I treat me and my husband on it as usual. So, but what we're gonna eat? Is Saku ready?
Yeah, look, me say no look.
It's an Asian cuisine. Chinese food, and probably have one. We need to go to Starbucks first or 3 right there, so.
So I'm saying you're looking like you never sure if you want to buy some here.
Sure, you want to buy one Starbucks?
This. So I'm saying if you want to look.
We can't go look in there. Look on the edge controller, why the pull on me either. But yeah, someone filling, we are moving into a 3-bedroom house. Apartment. Thank you, babe. How did we get from wanting a 1-bedroom, from moving to wanting a 2-bedroom, to moving into a, what may I say? How do we get from living in a 1-bedroom to wanting to go into a 2-bedroom to going to move into a 3-bedroom? How do we get there? The 2-bedroom that we was going to get was too expensive, so we no bother with that. So we were like, so the iffy. But then it's happened that like should we lose the other apartment really want, we're going with our area. We're gonna see what can happen with the property that we're on, if we can get one way the budget not so, cause budget not so high, like literally. It's something that me go on it, and the apartment, which is a 3-bedroom, the price is cheaper than what we were gonna get for the 2-bedroom. So it's the 3-bedroom, lower budget, on the same complex already, just a different size. I was like, okay, 3-bedroom, we really want storage. Or do you want somewhere for putting fish and stuff them? Me want somewhere for put my little to put me hair stuff to do me hair. If you have like one section for just me hair, like one little salon area where I want to buy one hood dryer, I want to have all of the works. I want here, I'm going to do my makeup and everything, which I don't really wear makeup again like that. But whenever that time comes, I can do my videos and whatever. So we have more than the space that we actually need now. So we have a space to ourselves, a space for somebody come over, and a space for whatever we like for leisure. So yes. So what happened now? We can go in a baby. Okay. I don't know if I did really want my white or my grey or my black cupboards. No. We are, you see the place when we did showing at the vlog with the white or grey cabinet, as me tell you, kind of out of budget, so we're not gonna touch the one day. But this one has the kitchen light a little more upgraded. We have black ceiling fan, we had white ceiling fan in the other one. That's just a weird thing though. We don't know how they make a place so like there's just only one big wall, no way to put a TV. We're going to the restaurant. Me talk to after I'm doing. So this is the restaurant. So fine. So this is the Asian restaurant we're going into. Guys, this is the menu. We're gonna browse the menu real quick. Huh? To go.
You said it's like however, so I'm not really.
No, go big. We can share. I think try one of them with the meat making it.
Try one of them.
Yeah. The one, not the sweet one. Get the. She said.
I'm gonna put this one in first while you.
Yeah,
okay?
go ahead. Yeah.
We should make with this side because that'll take a little bit longer.
Why that take long?
Because you're going to put in that first.
But me had it right that way. Where you see me?
I can try the orange chicken.
You don't want the orange chicken.
They're all pretty good. So.
Orange chicken.
Or you want the honey chicken?
So when we take this, what is coming?
It comes with rice, right?
Correct.
Rice and vegetables?
This
Brock.
one no.
Oh.
That's just rice and egg roll.
Which one? The dinner special?
The dinner specials are just rice, egg roll. The plates come with vegetables.
Oh.
But that's more similar to the rice bowl chickens. It's like grill with sauce, kind of sweet.
Oh. So none of these, so we won't get the chicken look like this with rice, no?
It would just be like the rice and the chicken and the egg roll. Hello, this count?
Oh, yeah, that's fine. Rice, chicken, and egg roll. Yeah. Some more people order. Alright, people, we'll try this side.
Anything else?
It's Carolina Sakura. Everywhere you go in Sakura different.
So avocado roll, cinnamon roll, that's it?
Yep. Alright.
So $7.21. Thank you.
Is this now our Sunday ritual? Not Sunday, Friday ritual. We come in Starbucks. It feels so good to be outside in my slippers. My toe them just want breeze. Just want breeze. Although they not really get much breeze in this, but at least the back of my foot I get breeze. Hey guys, hey. This vlog is gonna be like a really exciting vlog for me. I don't know about you. I don't know if you feel the same. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys feel the same way that I am feeling. But we are moving into our oh my god, I forgot the bulb. We're moving into our 3-bedroom apartment. So your girl is going to collect the keys right now. We're gonna collect the keys right now. I'm gonna collect the key right now. Guys, I'm gonna collect the key right now for our 3-bedroom apartment. Yes, sir. No forward.
Yeah, this can be brought back back by Monday.
Okay.
And then here are your beautiful keys, and and then you get to keep your fobs. So that's all the keys for that. It should be.
Thank you. Okay, so I know you guys just saw that. I know you guys just saw that I collected the keys. I collected the keys for our 3-bedroom apartment. Look here. Before me going on anything else, I have to big up Almighty God. You see God? You see God? You see when it come on to God? You know, have to trust and believe in a God, you know? We have to trust and believe in a God. I remembered when I started. Okay, let's go get something from Odin and then talk to him. If when you talk about God, don't play with God. God will show you everything that He needs to show you. God will fix every problem in our life. If there is a problem that you have and you trust and believe, say, He might go fix the problem. There? No, hola. We still have hola because I'm just back and forth. I'm just trying to get everything together because I have to run to Walmart to go get a vacuum, to go get I look so black. I've been confident. To get a vacuum, I want to go to Home Depot to get boxes. I want to get some cleaning agents and whatever. Me so feeling. Just give me a second. Yeah? So I'm going to talk to them about my back and forth. So, yeah.